So hello everyone. Today we will do app service. So let's start it. I share my screen. So in app service, you can click in the app service and you can see app services and this is the default directory and add button is over here. Manage view refresh. These all the things we can do later. So first we will add. Okay, so same like the virtual machine we have created, there was the menu. So here is also a basic monitoring tags and review and create. So what we will do, you can see over here in the subscription is a free trial. You all know that I am using the free trial and resource group. So this network watcher RG is a resource group, but the earlier resource group we made, we have deleted it. So we can create a new resource group for the same. Here you can see the instance detail. So what is your web application name and how do you publish it? Is a code and the Docker container, or you want runtime stack. Okay, so you say .NET Core 2.1, ASP.NET. So what is your stack? And here you can see the operating system. It is taking by default as Linux, not the Windows. So why it is taking the Linux? Because I am using the free version and region is a central US. I already spoke about the region. What is Australia East, Australia Southeast? They are the different type of region. Means these all are the data center where your application will run. Okay, so in this region the application will be run. So as of now I have choose the region as a central US. And what is your app service plan? There are the two ways. Either I have to be go from the portal and create a app service, or either I have to go via the Visual Studio and create a app service. So in this chapter I will do it from the Visual Studio. In Visual Studio I will click on create a new project. It is showing me ASP.NET Core web application, so I choose it and do the next. Here you can provide the project name, so I will put test app service. Okay, and location I have put over here, and solution name is the same. I will do the create. So I click on the create and it is creating a web application. It is create an empty application. I will do the create. So my app service has been created. Let's run it and check that it is perfectly working fine. So it is building. So our application is working fine. You can see hello world is coming. So we will do the publish. So here is the publish button. I will click on the publish. It will show me that how we are going to be publish this web application. Deploy your app to a folder, IaaS, Azure, or another destination. So okay, I will do the start. And here you can see pick a publish target, app service Linux. Okay, so we are creating a Azure app service. In Azure app service, either I have to go for the create new or select existing. As of now, we don't have any existing app service because we did not create this app service from the portal. So I will choose over here create new, and here you can see the app service platform is the Linux. Okay, so I will do create new. it's already login my Microsoft account. Okay, so it's a Azure Microsoft account. Here is the app service name. Subscription type is the free trial, and resource group. If you remember, I did not create it, so I will choose the new resource group. Okay, Azure Training RG. So I have choose the new resource group Azure Training RG, and hosting plan where you want this data center. So I will leave it as it is, and application insight is none. So these are the basically app service things. So I will delete this thing. Okay, test app service web app. Okay, so I will do create. So it is creating. It shows test app service plan site and URL test app service web app dot azure website dot net, and it's created the Azure resource group Azure Training RG. Okay, so if I go through my app service, let's see what is over there. It's created. So as of now, it's created a test app service web application. It's running, but till now we did not deploy the application. So let's go in the application and publish it. Okay, once we do the publish, uh, the build code will be deployed into our app services. So our test app service web application. So we have done with test app service web application deployment. I will go through our app service plan and click on the test app service web application plan. So then if I click on this link, it will show you hello world. So you can see. So you've seen that how we create a web application in Visual Studio and how do I publish in app service in Azure cloud. If I click on this test app service web application, in left hand side there are the some menus or tools. So here if you go for the overview, okay, you can see here is the whole overview of your app service. Okay, how much data in, how much data out. If you go in the activity log, so you will see your get a web app publishing profile succeeded in 10 net time is how much time stamp it taken, what are the subscription type, event initiated by. So everything in is it in record. If you go, let's see, in alerts means you are doing the monitoring. Okay, so we don't have any alert as of now. So at last we created the application and deploying app services, and here is the URL which was working in my local as well in Azure